Hello, in front of me I have Withings Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from your iPhone. First, we need to open the Withings application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. Let me actually close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the devices icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Pulse HR right here. Scroll down through this list, find the option called All Settings and tap on it. Here scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the button called Disassociate this product. Tap on this button, tap on Remove from my account. Okay, the band will disappear from the app. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, find the Bluetooth option, tap on it. In Bluetooth menu you should see the list of my devices. On this list you should see a device called Pulse HR. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to confirm. And once the Pulse HR disappears from the list of my devices, you can close the settings, and at this point the smartband is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.